Naghahanap ka ba ng kakaibang date place? I-try nyo na rin ang authentic Indian food ng Papa G's. For appetizers, you should try their pani puri and samosa. Itong pani puri yung isa sa pinakadinadayo namin dito kasi bukod sa kakaibang experience siya, hindi mo siya mabibili kung saan-saan lang. Hindi ko ma-describe yung lasa niya pero masarap siya and it bursts in your mouth. And if you love potatoes, you have to try their samosa. Indian food experience is not complete without this paratha. It goes well with their curry, masala, or makani. Whether you like beef, cottage cheese, or chicken, they have it all for you. Gusto ko na sanang mag-diet kaso hindi ko matanggihan yung chicken biryani nila. Yung biryani nila, it comes in different variants. May shrimp, may egg, may beef. Pero kahit anong orderin nyo, ang laki ng serving size nila, di ba? Sa sobrang sarap niya, makakalimutan mong nagda-diet ka. By the way, if craving ka for taco, wala pa to sa menu nila pero share ko na rin sa inyo. This is a great choice if gusto nyo lang magmerienda. If kailangan nyo ng pangontra sa anghang, don't forget to order their mango lassi. Wait, there's more. May desserts pa sila. If you have a sweet tooth, they have something for you. Merong cold, merong hot, and meron ding ice cream. Bukod sa masasarap na food nila, sobrang okay din ng customer service nila. They are available on Facebook, Instagram. Pwede nyo rin silang tawagan if gusto nyo magpa-deliver. If you're looking for the best Indian food in Parañaque, dito na kayo sa Papa G's. Let's go!